Hey guys, my name is Nishant, and I'm presenting to you my Stackathon project, which is this trivia app/game that I've built. So what drove me towards making this is because I'm a gearhead. I love cars, and being a gearhead, I've been actively writing about and researching and being part of this bigger community that we're all a part of. And I haven't really seen anything that tests our abilities or our knowledge, because one thing that people who love cars like to do is brag about how much they know about cars. So that's why my first thought about what project I want to build, it led me towards this. So it's pretty straightforward. You come onto the home page, and it asks you if you want to play single player or multiplayer. So you can go into single player, and it right off the bat should start the game for you. And as you can see, you'll have like a 45-second countdown, and it'll give you a random question selected from our database. So you can choose the examples that you have. In this case, I got it right, and then maybe something that is not right, because of course that's not a 2017 Mercedes AMG GT3. But you get the point. You can go on and kind of really test your knowledge, and it also keeps track of your score. So that's what I began with, and then quickly I realized that the other thing that gearheads really like to do is compete. That's kind of the other element of fun that I thought would really make this a lot better. And so I decided to add this multiplayer option in this. And I have the other tab opened over here with me. So if I start the game for me as well, well, you can start, choose, oh, the wrong answer. Maybe this is the right answer. OK, cool. And then as an opponent, I can also choose the right answer. And so you can see both our scores are 10, and it's a tie. So then it asks you, well, do you want to continue the game or restart? So that was pretty cool, because that way I got to test it out with a couple of friends and see, and really got us talking about the interest for cars and introduce this flavor of competition. But while I decided to do this, this also integrated a big problem for me, because I had already gone ahead and kind of created the components and containers that helped me make the single-player game. And now that I came into the multiplayer, I had to introduce this whole new concept of using sockets to transfer data between the clients and the server. And what got more interesting was that now I had multiple sources of truth, because you can have 2 or 3 people play a game, and then you have your server side, or each of them would have their own source of truth, which is really not the right way to go about it. So to face that problem, I introduced a third Redux store, which I kept on my server side, and had that be the main source of truth, while each of my clients were using sockets to kind of communicate with it. Yeah, so no, I'm a loser, but that brings you back to this homepage, and yeah, that's my project. So if you guys have any more feedback for me, I would love to hear that. And this is the trivia app.